their vision here? What are you trying to do to the car industry?
Well, I'm trying to accelerate the advent of sustainable transport, so try to get the car industry to move towards electrification faster than they would otherwise move. So the fundamental value, long-term value that I see for Tesla is serving as a catalyst to accelerate the transition to sustainable transport.
Tesla Motors has recently become the world's most valuable car company. A lot of their success is attributed to their current CEO, Elon Musk. But it wasn't always like this. Despite what many believe, Elon Musk never founded Tesla, and didn't even become CEO until 2008, 5 years after the company was founded. The real story of Tesla starts in 2003 after two Silicon Valley engineers, Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, sold their ebook company for $187 million. With that money, they founded Tesla in 2003 in an attempt to make electric vehicles feasible. This attracted the attention of tech entrepreneur Elon Musk, who in 2004 invested $30 million of his own money in the startup. In the following years, the company continued to grow and develop its first electric vehicle. But in 2007, Tesla's board voted out Martin Eberhard as CEO, leading both the founders to leave the company 1 year later. Because of this, Elon had to take over as CEO, and this put tremendous stress on him, as both Tesla and SpaceX were struggling and running low in cash. Only after barely making it through the 2008 financial crisis, Elon took Tesla Motors public on the Nasdaq in 2010, offering 13.3 million shares at $17 each. During their IPO, they were able to raise $226 million, which helped them focus production on the Model S, and it paid off. The Model S was the first electric vehicle of its kind, and its success in the market allowed Tesla to start building charging stations throughout the US in 2012. But Tesla Motors is not just a car company. They even changed their name in 2017 to Tesla Inc. to reflect this. As early as 2014, they began building gigafactories to produce their electric motors, battery packs, and energy storage products. Because in 2016, they bought out the solar panel company, SolarCity. Since then, their revenue has more than tripled from $7 billion in 2016 to more than $24.5 billion in 2019. And while Tesla for many years has not been profitable, in recent quarters they have turned a profit, leading skeptics to wonder if they can keep this up. In terms of growth, Tesla has done extremely well, with their stock price skyrocketing in 2020. As a result, they have received a huge influx of cash, helping them work on new projects and pay off their more than $10 billion of debt. And with much anticipation for Tesla's Q2 results, after Elon released red shorts as a taunt to people that have bet against this company, it is going to be interesting to see Tesla turn a profit and continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing. I make short videos about the history and stock data of different companies. But if you're not ready for that yet, maybe check out one of my other videos. And if you want to see a video on a specific company, let me know in the comments. Thank you.